Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to cut your 3D mesh in your Blender 5.1 just by using the bisect function. And I'm going to show you all the step by step. First, you can just select your 3D model, click and go to the edit mode. From the edit mode here, you need to make sure you press A to select all the vertices, and then move your mouse cursor to here, click and drag to the bisect. It is something like this. If you directly click on this, it won't appear. You need to click and hold your mouse. Do not release your mouse. Then move your cursor to the bisect. Then just cut in that way. Then after that, what can you do for the next is just clear the inner or clear the outer. Once you already cut it, you still can fill. Then it will become a new 3D model that already cut for part of it. Then of course you can cut one more time again. So here I just press A and then select the bisect again. I cut one more time, then clear outer, fill. Now I already cut that part. It is really easy, really amazing. You can just slash and cut any of the 3D model by using the bisect function in Blender 5.1. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to cut any 3D model for your Blender 5.1. And that's all for today. If you love my videos tutorials about the 3D modeling, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. And see you in my next video. See you.